Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Note 50, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your settings, navigate to storage, and then tap on the drop-down menu and select your SD card. Next, you're going to click right here on files, click on the three dots and select storage settings, which will present you with the option of formatting. You can click on it. It will bring up a message letting you know that formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. And I select Format SD card. This will now begin removing all the data from it, and it only takes a couple seconds. Should be right about done. There we go. So click on done, and that's it. The card is now ready to be used once more, as you can see right over here. Now it does now change the name of it for some reason to just Android from the original Samsung SD card, but whatever. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.